Menial service is important because it helps one to develop their character. It instills the values of cleaning and the whole concept of a clean place. If a place is dirty, it affects the consciousness, the mind. They become less conscious. They don't really pay attention to their surroundings because the uncleanliness of the place just becomes a norm to them. So then it slowly spreads to everything around them. Now if the place is clean, they automatically become more conscious. The place itself looks nice, feels nice, and it's very important when it's connected to education, because if the place is dirty, then it becomes much more difficult to study. Affects the consciousness, can't focus. If the place is clean, it spreads to other aspects, so education becomes easier to an extent. The person's mood, his mindset towards life becomes better. And even in outside school, even in connected to material life, it's very stressed upon that the place is supposed to be kept clean, because they know that it affects the consciousness and makes it harder for people to focus. And menial service, it teaches them the different skill sets that the menial service is about. So if, for example, you're sweeping, then you know how to sweep. But if it's in connection to the Lord, that you're cleaning the dam or the temple, you're not only learning how to do it properly, but you also purifying your heart, because you're offering the results of your work to the Lord. So automatically the place becomes clean, you spiritually become beneficial for you, subtly beneficial for you, and materially beneficial for you. So it's good all around.